All right, so um, I know a lot of people will say, "Oh, what the way of come again? None of this way of come again." They want to talk about their business, and now I am just want to show you proof of the end, so that you don't, feel as if this is all made up. Okay, I'm Fuma Desmond, I'm the owner of Better Helpers, and today I want to show you proof of how much I've made from our website so that you get to see that what I'm about to show you in the live workshop is 100% tested and trusted. Okay. In fact, what I'm going to give you in the live workshop is something that is simplified, so simplified that you be like, wow. So now let's go straight to my site. Okay, to my company website where I sell products. Okay, so this is it. Now, how many orders do you see here? You're seeing 691 orders. 691 orders in total. What does that tell you? 691 orders. Boom. Now, how much have I made so far? Okay. Now, this 691 orders you see is just on the upfront because they have upsells and the rest. And this has been from last year. So let's go to our reports. No, let me refresh it again so that you know that yeah, it is my site. Okay. So I know it's my site. Let's refresh it again. Boom. As you can see. As you can see. This is no jokes. Right, so let's go over to the reports and let us see how much we have earned so far. So that you see what do you see here? Gross sales this period in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, okay. Now let us go back to April. Okay, let's say March, right? March 2014 to date. Okay, let's say on the 11th. Because that's where now to date. Let's say today, April 16th, okay? As you can see. So as you can see here, this is just for, this 7 days period. Now let us look at it and click on go. Okay, let me scroll down so that you get to see everything. Just 15 orders placed, 21 items purchased. All right, and we click on go. All right, let's go. And the boom. How much do you see here? This is 24,387,500 naira. 24 million naira, 24.3 million naira made in the space of 1 year. All right, made of 1 year. Now, I made major of money last year because we're actually booking a product, a new product. That is why it's not more than this, okay? So, look at what we are earning on average C per month. As you can see, let me highlight it. As you can see, let me highlight it again so that you know that it didn't joke. You see, 24 million naira. Let me refresh again so that maybe this will give you, you know, a frame that this is for real. Let me refresh it again, okay? As you can see, it's refreshing. Okay, let me see, refreshing again. You see how much here? 24 million naira. And this is what I did in selling beauty products, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly. As you can see, you see as it tallies 691 orders, okay, placed, all right, and 842 items of purchase. This is because we are selling in bulk, maybe one pieces, two pieces, but the orders that were placed was 691 orders, making this amount of sales. So if you want to learn exactly how I was able to do this, I recommend you that you come into the workshop. Okay, the workshop is little money, just small money, but you get exactly everything I did to be able to achieve this. So I'm waiting for you on the inside.